TapeBase is a must-have tool for any shop that's struggling through the problems of tape wastage, through the problems of lost tape, through the problems of keeping it unorganized. TapeBase brings a solution all into one. Along with TapeBase, we'll be releasing 9 different tapes. Starting from the Tessa waterproof tape, 7560, the Tessa black tape that everyone's used to, the 61395, the Tessa red tape, 4965, the battery pull tape that everyone's been used to coming from the iPhone batteries. You should be able to use them along with any batteries. The Kapton tape, the Roger Silk cotton tape, thermal heat shield, the graphene paper, the Actape cloth, and the 3M 5907 tapes. All these tapes are currently being used in the industry. However, we're limiting ourselves to only utilize 1 or 2 different brands of tapes because we don't have access and reach to these types of tape. Take for instance the thermal heat shield tape that's used on the motherboard heat shields. Well, rather than reusing the same heat shields, you should be able to get it on a roll to be able to withdraw from the roll 5-10 cms from it and to be able to adhere back a new graphene sheet right onto the motherboard. The Actape cloth. The Actape cloth is the cloth being used for reducing heat around when doing micro soldering. The pull tapes. Battery pull tapes that are currently only being used on the Apple batteries. There's no reason why these can't be used on any other models. You should be able to use these battery pull tapes right onto any model that you wish to use. Samsung, LGs, anything along those lines. As the TapeBase easily dispenses by opening the lid, you should be able to use an eject option right onto it. As soon as you eject it, you should be able to withdraw the roll and install a new roll of your choice. TapeBase also comes with different heads to actually adjusting the blade depending on the thickness of the tape that you would like to cut. As we know that, hey, due to usage, these blades do tend to wear out. We've thought of that ahead of time, and you should have the option to change just the cartridge of TapeBase and insert a new cartridge right into it, making it fairly easy to use. And as the tapes are not being used, closing the lid, ensuring no dust gets back into the tape. Mobile Centrics is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.